This beautiful two-story located on Half Circle in Brooklyn Park, features large kitchen with movable center island, four-season addition off the kitchen. Open floor plan with formal dining room, fourth bedroom on main level perfect for an office, large master bedroom with walk-in closet. Main floor laundry and finished lower level family room. Beautiful low maintenance pool with solar heat system, pool surrounded by deck and is only 4 feet deep, so great for children. Close to Edinburgh Golf Course. Also enjoy the walking paths located just off the backyard. Thank you.